This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have both files open. Start by confirming you have at least view access to the source and edit access to the destination. Next, pick the method. Use import range for live ranges or copy-paste for one-time transfers. Once decided, copy the source sheet ID from the URL and highlight the exact range like Sheet 1, A1, C20. Make sure sharing settings allow access. If not, update permissions now so formulas can read the source without errors. Now implement the formula in the destination. Type equals import range. Paste sheet ID, Sheet 1, A1, C20. When you first run it, click Allow Access. That authorizes the connection. If you need a dynamic sheet name or cell referenced range, wrap import range with indirect. Once done, layer query or filter around it to sort, select columns, or remove blanks. Make sure to keep ranges tight to avoid unnecessary load, and if performance lags, import smaller blocks or cache snapshots. Finish by verifying the link. Make a tiny edit in the source and watch the destination update. If updates don't appear, use IFR around your formula to display a clear message while you debug. Common fixes include regranting access, correcting the range syntax, or splitting large imports to avoid quota limits. If you still see #ref or #n/a, open both files in the same browser and reauthorize import range. That usually resolves permission token issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.